So, spinal cord external configuration. To know na ventral siya or dorsal siya, we should locate the anterior median fissure. So, your anterior median fissure, di na nakalodge mo anterior spinal artery. If you can see the anterior spinal artery, muna na siya mo anterior median fissure. So, if you have your anterior median fissure, that's your ventral side. So, next, meninges na sa nag-cover sa spinal cord. So, you have the dura mater, and then the arachnoid mater, basta then the pia mater. So, your pia mater have specializations. You have linea splendens, which is according to Ed, glistening, covering sa mga spinal cord sa anterior sa ventral side. Next is your ligamentum denticulatum, which gains attachment which is kanang midway between your anterolateral and posterolateral sulcus, and then mo gain siya attachment to dura mater. There. So, in your ventral side, going down sa taas, so you're going down, the third specialization of your pia mater is your filum terminale. So, your filum terminale, together with kanang mga rootlets, would form your cauda equina. So, the whole thing is your cauda equina. So, the spinal cord terminates into a cone-shaped structure, which is your conus medullaris. So, next if you have the anterior side, ventral side, so sa imuhang anterolateral, naadi na mo gawa sa imong rootlets of the ventral root. Yeah, rootlets of the ventral root. If makita na to ang ventral root sa outside sa downin. Kani siya, muna siya ang ventral root, that one. Na siya ang ventral root. And then sa posterior side, so you have, since naman kay mong anterior, na po kay posterior median septum or sulcus. Dorsal side. Posterior median sulcus. Isa mo cervical part and also upper part of your thoracic, you can see the sulcus intermedius. As you trace it down, na mawala na imo sulcus intermedius. So makita nimo na ang kanang point nila, that's your sulcus posterior median sulcus, and then lateral niya kay your sulcus intermedius. And then sa posterior lateral sulcus, you can see rootlets of the dorsal root. So dorsal root also naa sa gawas, na siya dorsal root. Guba na jud. Na siya. And then I think that's it. Mura na siya. Natay nakuha. Tala na.